Hi, this is Sunoran and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sunoran. Today we will make LED chaser with Arduino. So first of all we will take Arduino Uno. Here it is. We will create it direction. Now we will take a small breadboard. Now we will take LED. So we will take 8 LEDs. Here it is. Now we will ground the cathode of all LEDs. Change its color to black. Like this way. Now we will connect resistance to the anode of each LED. We are adding resistance to limit the current. Let's make its color to yellow. Now we will ground it with the ground of our Arduino. We will also supply 5 volt to the breadboard. We will make its color to red and black for ground. Now we will connect potentiometer to control the frequency of LED switching. So we will connect the left terminal of potentiometer with 5 volt and right terminal with ground. So makes the color of ground black. Now we will as we are taking potentiometer as an input, so let's connect it to anode pin, analog pin. So here we connected. Let's make this color to green. Now we have to connect the all LEDs with digital pins. So we add the resistance to limit the current. Now we will add each LED with digital pin. I attached first LED with digital pin number 2. Second with digital pin number 3. Third with digital pin number 4. Let's change its color to blue. Make its color to green. Let's make its color pink. We have connected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs. Now we will connect 6th one. We connected 6th LED with digital pin number 7. Makes its color purple. So let's split it. We add another LED as we have to connect 8 LEDs. So anode here, make it to yellow, ground the cathode, make it black. Okay. So we have to connect 8 LED. Let's make its color purple. Now let's take a gray. So we have connected the all LEDs with digital pins. We also have connected our potentiometer. Now it's time to code these all. For this purpose we will take, so I have already written the code, so I paste here. Here I connected LED first with 2 as I have shown, 3 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4 and so on. But I connected potentiometer with analog pin, so here I attached it a node. I defined here a delay period variable which I will use here. So as we know that the value of potentiometer changes from 0 to 1023, so we will map it to 0 to 1000. So in this way we can change the time period of our LED. So suppose we change its value to 500, and its value will almost or approximately equal to 500. So there will be delay between each LED of 500 milliseconds and so on. So let's simulate it. So here it is. This is the result of our LED chaser. Now let's change to high frequency. Now you can see we change it to more high. Now you can notice the change. So here it will slow down. Here it will be faster. Alright, thank you.